Taking this blindfold off to see what this life's all about. Threw my virtues to the ground, drinking from the devil's cup. Take that pill, drink it down, flashing lights all around. High as hell, drunk like I finally don't give a fuck. 'Cause I'm breaking all the rules tonight. Not going down without a fight. As long as I'm still breathing, doesn't matter how hard you might try. We can take this freedom. Waking up, I'm a mess, sleeping on the bathroom floor. Last night's a blur, don't know for sure, but I'm ready for another round. You're talking shit, don't hear a sound. Take a hit and pass around. High as hell, drunk like I finally don't give a fuck. 'Cause I'm breaking all the rules tonight. Not going down without a fight. As long as I'm still breathing, doesn't matter how hard you might try. We can take this freedom. You try to box me in and chain me down. I can do as I please, so shut your mouth. Sure, my innocence gone and to say what I want. Can't say me cause I'm already gone. Walk around like it's such as hey, that's some shit cause I know that you ain't. What you gonna do when karma comes and fucks you? Life's a bitch and I plan to make the most of it. Judge me like you